With Canva, you have so many different options for creativity. The first option to start with is a template. Now, you can begin with a blank template from any of the sizes possible, or you can browse the education library. Let's take a look at templates first. Across the top, it'll give you a few different options of what your templates are and what Canva can offer you. For example, docs, whiteboards, which we'll go over in a separate video, presentations, social media, etc. You can also view these from here and by scrolling over and browsing. If there's anything that you can think of, it's probably already made in Canva with a template. You can customize any template that you find, or you can start with your own. Now, if you're not quite sure what you want to begin with, you can also go over to the left-hand side to where it says templates. From here, it will drop you into what's known as the Education Library. This is a new feature that Canva has just added recently. From here, you can again search templates, or you can scroll down and see Ready to Teach lessons. And you can search by grade level, subject, or resource type. There are going to be thousands of different options that you can choose. Now, if you decide that you want to begin with a pre-created template, but you want to change things, you can do so. For example, we will begin with this design right here. By clicking on it, I'm going to be able to see what grade level it is suggested to be used as, and I can either star it or what we refer to as favoriting. You can also share if you want to do so. You can customize the template, but it'll also show you below any other templates that are similar to the one shown. For this example, I'm going to customize this template. It's going to now open my design in a new page. From here, everything on this page is going to be editable. Even though another creator made this template, I am now able to create my own version of this design. I can click and move any element, I can delete any elements, and I can back up. On the left-hand side, you'll see your design space. From here, you can still browse different templates, and you are able to switch if you would prefer to. Every time you look at a different template, it'll also give you the fonts and the colors primarily used in that design. However, you have the option to change those. By switching over to styles, you can look at different font and color combinations, just color palettes, or font sets. If you've recently used any pictures or designs, you can also bring in combinations from those as well. Below, you will then see elements, graphics. You can create your own graphics with an AI image generator. You can search animated stickers, photos, videos, audios, tables and charts, and frames to add in different pictures. You'll also see a collection of different curated elements that you can then choose. Below is text. You can add headings, subheadings, etc. You can add just a text box, or you can use one of these pre-designed font. Brand is for those that have set up different brand kits, which you'll probably not use. Your uploads are going to be your images that you can put in yourself, or it'll be AI generated images that you've used from the Elements tab. You also have the option to record yourself as well. You have a draw feature that allows you to draw on top of your design. You have your projects that you can then pull from, and then different apps that you can refer to and use information from. We'll go over some of these apps that are beneficial to you in a separate video. When it comes to your design, you're able to do whatever you would like. However, there's a few things that you probably need to know. You can duplicate a page, or you can delete a page. You can add a blank page and change the color. You also have options to edit all of the features and elements within the image. Some of the elements will allow you to change the colors, and you can do so from here. At the bottom, you'll be able to see all of your pages and zoom in and out of your design. You can also go full screen if you'd like. Up at the top, you'll have a file bar, which will give you a few different settings like video playback, rulers and grid lines, things that you can adjust. It also will show you version history if you need to refer back to any mistake that you've done before. You'll also have an undo and redo button if you need it. Magic Switch is an option that allows you to switch your template design into another function. For example, I currently have an infographic template, but if I'd like, I can turn it into flyer dimensions, which would be a regular sheet of paper, by clicking this button and resizing it. This cloud icon with the check mark will let you know that your changes have been saved. At your title, you're able to adjust and change this as needed. If you've shared collaborators for your design, they will appear here. Here's where you can see insights of who has viewed your design. And then here you can have sharing options. We will cover sharing options in a follow-up video.